So, that is my low range. I can go a little bit lower than that, but let's face it, you're a tuba player, you want to play low, and you want to blast the low range as loud as you possibly can. Well, I'm going to show you a little trick that one of my college friends showed me on how to go from maxing out at about a low F here to about here. Wow, that was bad. To about here. So, it's actually not that hard. The hardest part is just getting your lips set. And to be honest, it's kind of like, well, depending on how much... You know what? I'll just go ahead and say what I'm going to say. I was hesitating because I did not want to necessarily relate to trumpets or make any assumptions because of what skill level y'all might be at. So, basically, trumpet players past a certain, well, actually, just in general, for a trumpet player, they, most of the time, don't need their bottom lip, they only use their top lip. Well, whenever you play the low range on tuba, it's kind of the opposite. You don't really need your top lip, you just need your low lip. Because, in all honesty, whenever you play with top lip, or use both lips, it starts to become a problem for that low range. So whenever I'm playing that low B flat, what I'm doing is I'm simply pinning my top lip into the rim of the mouthpiece at the top, and then I'm just letting the bottom lip do all the work. Almost imagine your airstream, like you get an underbite and you blow your air up into your nostrils. Kind of gross, but honestly, I don't know of any better way to describe it. So you just pin your top lip into the mouthpiece and then just let the bottom lip do all the work. What I like to do is take your top lip, so like start an F, then keep your top lip where it's at and just slide it till you hit the rim, and then let your bottom lip fill the rest of the space, and then that's about where you want to be for the low B flat. And as you, well, it's more of one of those deals. Once you get the feel for it, you'll figure out how to play it louder. Start really soft. Wow, again, my bad. Well, anyways. It might also be because I've got a lot of spit in here too. That's kind of collected. Might have something to do with it, but... Also, I'm not gonna lie, it's really hard to play that low B flat quiet. I mean, I'm not even playing that hard and I'm getting it to blare out that loud. The weirdest transition is whenever you're at your low F and then you go to something like a low D. That's actually harder to play than the low B flat is. That note right there is actually harder to play than this note. In my opinion, at least. But yeah, so that's about my range. Basically, you don't really need to be playing much lower than this. But, it's kind of fun having that extra range there. But really all you need is if you can play a triple F scale, then you should be set. If you can do that, you're set. That's really all you need to be a good tuba player. But again, for playing low notes, just pin your lip into the top rim and just let that bottom lip vibrate, and then you'll get a nice good... So, there you have it. That is low range tuba playing